Let P be the segments are congruent, and let Q be the segments have the same measure. Write P if and only if Q in words. So we're going to have P if and only if Q, and we're going to substitute the segments are congruent for P, and the segments have the same measure for Q. So it should be the segments are congruent that's the P, and then if and only if and then the Q is the segments have the same measure. So the segments are congruent if and only if the segments have the same measure. Let's see if any of these match. Now this one doesn't because there's an if in the beginning, so right away that one's out. The segments have the same measure if and only if the segments are congruent? Nope. The segments are congruent if and only if they have the same measure. That is the correct one. Now let's look at this last one. If congruent segments. It starts with an if, so that's not it either. Definitely C.